Welcome back, y'all. Today we're decorating my favorite thing to decorate, which is the hot cocoa station, coffee/hot cocoa. And we have a new addition to the coffee station/cocoa station, Mr. Espresso Maker. They had them on sale for Black Friday and it ended up living here. Titus has turned into a coffee machine himself and he's been making cappuccinos. This is the little thing over here that froths the milk, you know. Anyway, so now we have these two guys to decorate around and they have to stay right there because the plug is right up under them, so they have to stay side by side right there together. Bless you. So I have all my stuff out over here and the table does not have a tablecloth on at the moment because I'm still looking for some of my Christmas stuff. If y'all remember last year I had a tablecloth. I'm pretty sure this was a cloth tablecloth. I got it from Aldi. Remember it had Christmas trees on it. Not the one I was looking at this year, but the one I had last year was like an off-white color with green Christmas trees all over it. I'm pretty sure it was cloth that you could wash, but I can't find it. And my red plaid one, which would match okay right now, turns out my lovely men of the family used that for something when they were Raptor lining trucks and things. So I have to get a tablecloth that matches all the Christmas colors. Anyway, we have all the hot cocoa station stuff out over here. We're gonna decide where we want to put everything. I still need to wipe this off. It's a little dusty. And I need batteries for the little, these are ornaments that came from Aldi, but this is like way too heavy to be an ornament. I mean, none of the branches on this tree would hold this thing up. This one and this one. They need batteries. They do light up. The little Christmas lights light up on the gingerbread man, and then this house lights up. Jonah was in here changing batteries for me earlier, but I don't think he could find any for this one. Yeah, it's not working. So we need batteries for this and the other two little ones. We'll turn this one off until nighttime. I gave Cece the white tree to put in her room this year, so we're not gonna have it in here. Yesterday, I hung my little Christmas tree barn sign up over here, but I found this in the closet. I got this, you know, from, let me see if there's something on the back that will remind me of where I got this from. No, where did I get this from? I just got this year from somewhere. It lights up, it's really pretty. So anyway, I put this over here instead of the Christmas tree barn. I moved it over here. Let me dust this off and then we'll get everything set up. I already dusted over there. When we finish with this, me and Cece are gonna go to the Christmas market and a few other little Christmas shops that I've been wanting to go to. Hopefully we can get back before it rains. It's supposed to rain later this afternoon. The playground Cece wants to try out first. I bet Jonah and Manly would have wanted to come if they knew we were going to come here. Why the steps? Me and steps don't do great together. Here we are. We might need to go in there and buy one of those hats. It's a little colder than I thought. Oh look, there goes the train. Golf ball holder. I guess that's what it's for. Candles. Jewelry. Santa's over there. Now we're coming over here to the cabin shops. We call this the cabin shops. It's not what it's called, but they all look like cabins, so we call it the cabin shops. Over here we have Victoria's Cottage and Gifts. You wanna go in here first, or the candles first? Down there, there's butterfly mornings and wildflower afternoons. I'm guessing that's a lot of butterfly and flower things. We're gonna go into the candle one first.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be?
Having fun. Yep. They're out here making some ornaments. Sissy got some ideas from some of the handmade ornaments we saw today. Sissy's making a reindeer. Jonah's making a surprise. It's starting to rain though. Y'all might have to come up under the porch. I'll start the little fire for you.
Okay.
We still have pumpkins everywhere out here. And George and Martha are still out front. I got this. I don't even know if you would call this a pillow. I mean, it's really thin, but I was like, that is almost the perfect size to put on my bench. And as we all know, this bench is struggling. Covers it up nicely, doesn't it, Manny? He's turning it into a nap spot. We just got a few things. We got Jingles here. I thought he looked like a really old-fashioned toy, you know? He's a snowman. You can tell better if you look at his nose and everything. But I thought he looked really nice and old-fashioned. And this, y'all, is a camel saddle that our neighbor gave us. This tree here we got from the Ladybug Landing store. Also the little reindeer. Here he is. We need to move him over here. We can't see him good over there. We'll put him right here beside the fireplace. How about that? That's better. There we go. He came from Ladybug Landing. I got that little star up there. It says ho 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 on the back, but I like just the regular side. And we got a couple of ornaments. Oh yeah, this one up here, the snowman. We got that one. A veteran that lives near here makes those by hand. And we got this ornament, also handmade. And I think, was that everything? Oh yeah, this snowflake right here. It's handmade too. It's an ornament. I do have it on the tree, but it's kind of just propped up because it's pretty big, you know. This was an empty spot, so I put it there. Oh, I'm sorry. We also got this ornament right here. I think it looks very festive. Almost like a little, are you a snowman? A toy soldier. It's like a toy soldier. Okay, family favorite for supper tonight, y'all. Can anybody guess by what I have sitting out here what it is? You guessed it, lima bean soup. They're out there doing something on the porch. You can probably hear that. It has not been a very quiet day around here. I'm gonna go ahead and get the soup started and then we'll mix up some cornbread real quick. I've got the oven preheating. And my ground beef is going here. Sing us a Christmas song, Manny.
When it was in his car, he fell down the mountain and he ended in... What did I say again?
I'm not sure, but I hope it was a happy ending. He landed in the snow. He landed in Whoville. We're gonna put some Crisco in here. We'll let that be melting down while the oven's preheating. I gotta go get the cornmeal real quick. Is anybody still having leftovers out there? We were out of leftovers, I think, on Saturday. After lunchtime Saturday, we were pretty much done with leftovers. There were a few things left, like there's still a little bit of green bean casserole. But yeah, they only lasted us till about Saturday. We got 2 cups of cornmeal, 1 egg. I just used the Southern cornbread recipe on the back of the Martha White cornmeal. Now we need 1.5 cups of buttermilk. Ground beef is almost done over here for the soup. 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Daddy being funny today. He's singing to you through the window. I love the way these spatulas are shaped that I got from Aldi. That shape just, it comes in really handy because you can go around either way and scoop it. Cornbread going in. that how he runs? Does he snort like that when he runs?